What is up, guys? It is your boy Big E, and we are back with another video. And today we have a highly requested and very special one with Trax NYC in the building. It's been a long time in the making. A lot of you guys have requested Trax on the channel, and it is happening. So Bob, without further ado, we are reviewing gold, so do your thing, because I know that, you know, you're all prissy when it comes to anything else. Bob's all happy today, guys. Bob, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Alright guys, so we are back, and like I said, we got Trax NYC in the building. Let me give you a little backstory here, guys. About a few weeks back, I connected with Max, I connected with Mickey, and I had reached out to them to talk about doing some reviews. They took a look at what I had going on, and it just made too much sense. I am a born and raised New Yorker. They are a born and raised, so to speak, New York business, straight up in the heart of the Diamond District, and they wanted to let me review some of their stuff. Now Trax, as you guys know, they don't really work with reviewers. People buy their stuff and they review it online, but they don't really work with reviewers. So that being said, moving forward, I am going to feature Trax NYC regularly on the channel so I can show you guys different looks from the company. And this is not going to be anything that's altered or paid or this or that.
I would never do that.
They are so confident in what they do. They said, Big E, say whatever you want, dog. We do not care. If you shit on something, you shit on it, whatever it is. But they're so confident in the product that they put forward that they just said, do your thing. They don't want to see it. Obviously, they'll look at it, but they don't want to look at anything. None of the companies that I work with, guys, ever do that. But I just wanted to let that be known. Obviously, like I said earlier, Trax does not really work with reviewers, so I want to let you guys know you are getting the A1 straight up sauce, the way it is from Big E, the way you're used to it. But anyway, guys, let's get into Trax for a sec before we unbox the little surprise that I have here. But guys, Trax started in 2004. Max started the business then, I believe, by selling something on eBay.
September 19th, 2004, I bought a digital camera and I went down to Canal Street and I photographed some jewelry for the first time in my life in a setting on a men's ring. I photographed it, I put it up on eBay, and I was able to sell it.
How much did you sell it for?
I sold it for the same price I bought it, and I even lost money on the fees.
And Max definitely is my type of guy. He's a real one. He's somebody that works hard. It's what I live by, guys. All gas, no brakes. I do what I do. I have a passion behind what I do, and I always keep things a buck. And everybody that I work with is the same. We've heard enough about Trax. We've heard enough about what's going on. I'm sure you guys are staring at this box on the table, and you're like, E, great. It's story time, awesome, but what the hell you got in the box, dog? And let me tell you this, guys, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know what I got in the box. I think I got two items in the box. I got a chain and a pendant, but I'm not going to review them together. I'm going to review them one at a time. So let's open this up. Let's unbox it together, and then we're going to just pick eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and we're going to review that item. And then the next video that I shoot, we'll review the other item. So there's gonna be a little like guessing. We're gonna have a little fun here, a little bit of Big E fun, if you guys are ready. So let's go. Let's get out the trusty knife. Bang, I love that. Guys, I haven't done an unboxing in a minute. But guys, I've never unboxed anything from Trax. I gotta show you guys what's up. I gotta see what's up. Look at this. Let's go in here and hope that everything goes well. And check out the Big E unboxing technique. Oh, guys, this might be a smooth one. Guys, I crushed that unboxed. So you guys know I crushed that. Bang. All right. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful Trax NYC felt bag. Let me take a look at this. Let me make this Trax logo here, established in 2004. There we go. And we also have this right here. Let's open this up and see what this says. So look at this presentation, guys. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. And we got, wow, we got a big, this is a big microfiber cleaning cloth. This is like the size of 4 microfiber cleaning cloths that I normally get. This is the Mac Daddy microfiber cleaning cloth. All right, guys, I'm actually gonna read this to you. So let's read it together. Let's do a little story time. Over the course of 2 decades, I have learned the jewelry industry extremely well. And regardless of what anyone in this world will ever say, I know what counts when conducting such transactions. So with that knowledge, I put myself in your shoes and ask, what would I expect if I had to purchase a piece of jewelry for myself? Bear in mind, I have done this 1,000 times in the millions of dollars ever since I was 18. First, I want my dollars to go towards the value of precious materials, labor of craftsmanship, and a fair markup for the firm of conducting the business. Second, I would want my materials to be of superior quality relative to the dollar I transact. Lastly, I would require that I am treated with respect no matter how much I'm spending, so long that I am spending honestly and pleasantly. I wouldn't expect someone to open vintage champagne when I buy a watch band, and I wouldn't waste anyone's time either. But if I work hard for my money, so should they. I spent over $200 million in the Diamond District. 99% of the time, the people I have conducted business with had failed at the aforementioned expectations. However, if I have failed you at my own standards, then I hang my head in shame. I will work hard and smart to make sure your jewelry has the best materials, value, and service per dollar by far. However, this is a complex business, so if there is an unexpected issue, my staff will resolve it in a reasonable and friendly manner. Aside from that, consider yourself my personal friend, and don't think for a second that I don't wholeheartedly appreciate you taking the chance on a firm I started so many years ago. Thank you for your business, Maksud Agajani. I don't know, Max, if I pronounced your name right, dog, but if I didn't, it's just Max, founder, Trax NYC. Guys, now listen, that is some really dope shit right there. I mean, my man is coming at you 100%. You can't ask for anything less than that, guys. And in life, you have to live honestly. You got to live the right way, and you got to live by your word. Your word means everything.
These ain't opinions. These are facts.
Without your word, you are nothing. You are zero. So when you say you're going to do something, you do it. So Max, I appreciate the sentiment. And now let's get into this jewelry. All right, guys. So we are opening up our felt bag here. And now oh, wow. Okay. So let's pull. I'm not going to throw this bag, guys. I like this bag. Look at this. So let's unbox this here. And let us slide this out over here. And this is like a nice, firm material here, guys. Check that out. This is a really nice material. Now let's get into the unboxing. Okay. So we got to, guys, I messed up. I can't play the game with you guys. We might have to just make this one long review because both items are in here. And by the way, guys, just to be clear, these items were sent out to me by Trax for review. Biggie did not buy these items. And it's important that I say that to you guys so you guys know what's up. So I am seeing this for the first time. So let's see here, guys. I'm seeing this for the first time with you. And wow. Okay. And just to show you guys here, I actually did this whole box upside down. But this is what the box looks like. And look at this, guys. Look at that. Let me actually, hold on, guys. Let me look at this first.
You're very selfish.
This is absolutely beautiful, guys. So it looks like we have a gorilla head pendant here with a sapphire in the mouth. And we have a 26-inch Byzantine. 26-inch Byzantine. We haven't reviewed a solid gold Byzantine. This is all solid 14-karat gold. And guys, I'm gonna have the specs of these items put up right here. I believe that these are G-colored and SI diamonds, I believe, but I could be wrong. So we are gloved up like a proctologist, ready to go in on some 53-year-old man. Pause, but I had to say it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And here we go, guys. In all of its beauty, we have the 3mm Byzantine with this diamond Trax Gorilla Pendant right here with this sapphire in its mouth. This truly is a work of art, guys. And honestly, when you buy something that is a work of art like this pendant, you can expect to pay a premium. You guys have to remember, sometimes people look at prices of gold and prices of a piece like this, and you might be like, oh my God, that's so much money. You know, there's only X amount of grams of gold there, and this is what gold costs. So maybe it should only be like $100 more than that. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. There's craftsmanship. There's, you know, making this piece. There's man hours. There's people that get paid. There's, you know, the creative process. There's so much that goes into it. You guys ever want, just go on Trax's channel. Max and Mickey have like 1 million videos up there showing their processes and what they do. Honestly, if you guys are ever bored just sitting around just watching that stuff, it's amazing. They got the full operation going on over there, but you pay for what you get. And if you want something beautiful, and if you want something intricate, and if you want something with details, you got to pay to play, baby. That's just what it is. You got to pay to play. Let us take a more in-depth look now, and let us get this on scale, and let us diamond test it. All right, guys, and we are back. And I was sitting around for a while because I was trying to get the pendant off of the chain, but this is a very, 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 very tight fit here.
That's what she said.
And I do not have the materials here to pull this off safely. That being said, I treat my jewelry, and especially somebody else's jewelry, with the utmost care. So I am not going to pull this pendant off here. So we're going to have to weigh it together, guys. And I'm going to put the specs up of each on screen so you guys can see what each individual item weighs. This is a 3mm 26-inch Byzantine chain, 14 karat gold. And again, we have our Gorilla Pendant. So let's, oh, by the way, guys, we got a new scale. We got a new scale. The scales of truth retired. And this is Big Bertha, guys. Big Bertha weighs up to 5,000 grams. I'm putting up crazy pieces and I can't even weigh them. So what did I do? I had to go get Big Bertha. So sorry, Scales of Truth, you're retired for now. And let's get this on scale here, guys. And we are at 59.87 grams. Give or take, guys. So let's call it 60 grams for both. So that's honestly a perfect everyday wear. Byzantines, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, so let me explain it to you, but Byzantines are a very solid link. So even at a 3mm, you are getting weight added to it. And let's go over the actual jewelry now in itself. And guys, this ape head, this Gorilla Pendant is just beautiful. I mean, we have these diamonds in the eyes here. We have these little diamonds all over, showcasing the actual fur on the gorilla's face. And this stone in the mouth is just crazy. I mean, guys, this is an beautiful everyday wear, and something that really stands out. This is definitely something that I would rock. And then next we have this beautiful Byzantine over here. Let's look at the stamps, guys. We have a 14K stamp, but it's too hard for me to read, and that is it as far as the stamps go. But this is a 14 karat gold chain. This is a 14 karat gold. Oh, and you know what? Let's take a look at this. On the back of this, guys, look at that detail. Look at that detail. We got the Trax logo and established in 2004. This to me is what I love about jewelry, guys. These little details that makes every single little piece special. That's what jewelry is. I am a jewelry nerd. I love it. I love the artwork. I love the creativity. The more creative, the better. And that's what I aim to do on this channel. So beautiful pendant. And now, guys, we are going to diamond test it. And let's hit the eyes right here. Diamonds, as you guys can see. Diamonds, as you guys can see. Diamond. But guys, overall, just a beautiful piece. Let us get this around neck now, and I will be right back to show you what this looks like around neck. Also, guys, we got a first coming right now because this is a 26-inch chain. And big, I never put on 26 inches. So guys, you're gonna see a different look on me as well, but I will be right back to show you guys what this looks like, and then we will rate it, we will wrap it up, and that will be all, folks. So stay right where you are, and I will be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we are back, and we have the 3mm Byzantine and the Gorilla Pendant around neck. And guys, this thing feels amazing. The chain is super smooth. This is Italian made. It's just absolutely beautiful. And this pendant feels great. This is a great thing because it's like, you know, you almost don't feel this around the neck, but you do. I mean, it has weight to it. You have 60 grams with this completed, but it is just such an amazing everyday wear. And then also, if you don't want to show people, or you're not in that bling mood right there, you can just tuck this in right here, guys. You can get the little neck profile going on, or whatever it may be. And then if you run into a girl at the store, or you're walking around, you're like, oh my God, that girl's so hot. And you're like, oh shoot, look, there we go. Now you're chilling, right, guys? You're chilling. You got your Gorilla back. You're good. So anyway, guys, beautiful, beautiful piece. And now the only thing left to do is rate it. And on a scale of nope to dope, the Trax NYC 3mm Byzantine and Gorilla Pendant gets a solid 9 from me. Congratulations, Trax NYC. You did not disappoint me from start to finish. This was a true experience. I love the unboxing. I love the actual message that was in the box. Everything was clean. Everything was on point. By the way, guys, it was shipped super fast. I mean, I know I'm in New York, but I got it the very next day. They are very on point with what they're doing. Definitely, I would recommend checking out Trax NYC if you haven't already, and look at the many different pieces. And with that, guys, this has been the review of the 3mm Byzantine and the Trax Pendant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, listen, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Talk to me. You guys know I love that. Talk to me. Let me know what's up. If you guys need help with something, if you need help navigating Trax or any other company for that matter, hit me in the comments. I respond to every single comment, every single one. I'm lying. I mean, there's some of them that I just miss, but I'm a human being. But I made that commitment. Like I always say, guys, if you comment, I will respond. Always. I'm never going to be too Hollywood for you guys.
You don't turn your back on family.
No matter what, you guys are part of the channel. You built this with me. This has been your boy, Big E, and I am out. Peace.